Moving day creates predictable security risks because an open house and many temporary workers make theft more likely. Plan a security-first moving day by creating layered protections that are simple to follow. Start by designating 1 or 2 trusted supervisors who will stay with the property at all times to monitor entry points and the flow of workers. Lock up and remove all valuables and important documents from the general moving area into a carried personal bag or a locked vehicle. Consider taking jewelry, passports, financial papers, and spare keys with you. Change exterior locks or rekey before you move in so keys handed out during the move cannot be used later. Use tamper-evident seals or brightly colored tape on boxes containing high-value items and record the seal identifiers on your inventory list so any broken seal is obvious. Keep a printed inventory that lists contents and photos of high-value items, and check boxes off as they are loaded and unloaded to detect missing items right away. If you hire movers, confirm their identity, ask for a written estimate, and schedule arrivals in a tight window to reduce the time the house is open. 3 common mistakes are leaving valuables out in plain sight, assuming all workers are vetted, and skipping a running inventory during transit. Leaving valuables out lets opportunistic theft happen quickly, so pack or remove small electronics and important papers before the movers arrive and keep them with you. Assuming all workers are vetted creates blind spots, so always verify identification on arrival and limit access to one primary entry point. Skipping an inventory makes it hard to spot missing items, so maintain and update a detailed list with photos and seal numbers, and check items off as they move from old address to new address. BigHomeProjects.com helps because we connect homeowners with local contractors and service providers relevant to moving and lock changes, and we host a discussion community where members share real-world moving security tips and contractor experiences. We use our platform to make it easier for homeowners to find help and for contractors to find work while encouraging conversations that improve moving day safety.